It's me again everyone, Midshipman Christian O. Aguilar, first year BSMT from the section G2A. And this time I'll memorize the Rule 34. Rule 34, Maneuvering and Warning Signals. A. When a vessel are in sights of one another, a power-driven vessel underway when maneuvering as authorized or required by these rules shall indicate that maneuver by the following signals on their whistle. 1. One short blast to mean I am altering my course to the starboard. 2 short blasts to mean I am altering my course to port. 3 short blasts to mean I am operating astern propulsion. B. Any vessel may supplement the vessel signals prescribed in paragraph A of this rule by light signals repeated as appropriate whistle to maneuver is being carried out. 1. These linked signals shall have the following significance. 1. Flash to mean I am altering my course to starboard. 2 flashes to mean I am altering my course to port. 3 flashes to mean I am operating astern propulsion. 2. The duration of each flash shall be about 1 second. The interval between flashes shall be about 1 second, and the interval between successive signals shall be not less than 10 seconds. 3. The light used for these signals shall, if fated, be an all-round white light, visible at a minimum range of 5 miles, and shall comply with the provision of Annex 1 to this regulation. C. When in sight of one another in a narrow channel or fairway. 1. A vessel intending to overtake another shall, in compliance with Rule 9, E and I, indicate her intention by the following signals on her whistle. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 1 short blast to mean I intended to overtake you on your starboard side. 2 prolonged blasts followed by 2 short blasts to mean I am intended to overtake you on your port side. The vessel about to be overtaken when acting in accordance with Rule 9 E and I shall indicate her agreement by the following signals on her whistle. 1 prolonged, 1 short, 1 prolonged, and 1 short blast in that order. D. When a vessels in sight of one another are approaching each other and from any cause either vessel fails to understand 2 intentions or actions of the other or is in doubt whether sufficient action is being taken by the other to avoid collision. The vessel in dump shall immediately indicate such dump by giving at least 5 short and rapid blasts of the whistle. Such a signal may be supplemented by a light signal of at least 5 short and rapid flashes. E. A vessel nearing a bend or an area of a channel or fairway where other vessels may be obs- obscured by an intervening obstruction shall sound one prolonged blast. Such signal shall be answered with a prolonged blast by any approaching vessel that may be within hearing around to bend or behind the intervening obstruction. F. If a whistles are fitted on a vessel at a distance apart of more than 100 meters, one whistle only shall be used for giving, maneuvering, and warning signals.